Hey guys, it's your fitness pal here, welcoming you to the station where newbies transform into fat-blasting machines. Today, we're turning up the heat with a dynamite beginner workout designed to incinerate calories while crafting a body you'll love. There's no need for fancy gyms or overcomplicated routines. We're about to dive into a world of simple, effective movements that yield maximum results, all without a shred of pressure. So gear up, because we're saying goodbye to intimidation and hello to simple moves, maximum results, and zero pressure. Before we dive into the main event, let's start with a warm-up session. Warming up is like sending a friendly memo to your muscles, letting them know it's showtime. It's all about prepping your body for the fat-burning fiesta that's about to ensue. Let's kick things off with some gentle arm circles. Extend your arms out to the sides, parallel to the ground, and begin making slow, controlled circles. Start small, then gradually make those circles bigger. Feel the stretch in your shoulders as you do this. After about 30 seconds, reverse the direction. This will not only warm up your shoulders but also get your blood flowing. Next, we're moving on to high knees. Stand tall, engage your core, and start marching in place. Lift those knees high, as if you're trying to touch your chest with each march. Don't forget to swing your arms in rhythm with your steps. This exercise will get your heart rate up and warm up your lower body. Then we're going to do butt kicks. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, flex your right knee and kick your right heel up towards your glutes. Lower your foot back down and repeat with your left leg. It's like you're trying to kick your own butt, literally. This will warm up your hamstrings and glutes and also keep that heart rate pumping. Remember, the goal of the warm-up is not to exhaust you, but to prepare your body for the workout. So take it at your own pace. If you need to slow down, that's perfectly okay. It's all about listening to your body and making this workout work for you. Alright, now that our bodies are warmed up and ready, it's time to dive into the main event. So let's get ready to sweat, burn fat, and have a blast while doing it. Welcome to the main event. Our first circuit includes squats, push-ups, and jumping jacks. Let's dive right into it. First up, we have the king of all exercises, the squat. This power move targets your thighs, glutes, and core, giving you a full lower body workout. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, then imagine you're sitting back into a chair. Lower your body as far as you can without compromising your form, then rise back up to standing. Let's aim for 15 reps. Next on our list is the push-up. This upper body blaster targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. You can modify this exercise by doing it on your knees if you're just starting out. Regardless of your version, remember to keep your body straight and lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the floor. Let's go for 10 reps. Finally, we have the classic jumping jacks. This total body move gets your heart rate up and burns calories like a charm. Stand with your feet together and hands at your sides. In one fluid motion, jump your feet out wide and circle your arms over your head. Then quickly reverse the motion. Keep it up for 30 seconds. These 3 exercises make up our first circuit. Remember to maintain good form throughout each exercise and take it at your own pace. Fitness isn't about being the best, it's about being better than you were yesterday. Now let's get into it. We'll be doing 3 rounds of this circuit. Take a deep breath, focus your mind, and let's get those bodies moving. Squats, push-ups, jumping jacks, you've got this. Great job on completing the first circuit. Let's move on to the second one. Now, on to the second circuit. We're doing lunges, mountain climbers, and a plank. This trio is all about pushing your limits, challenging your balance, and igniting your core. So let's get to it. First up, lunges. These are great for strengthening your legs and glutes. Start by standing straight, then step forward with one foot. Bend both knees to lower your body towards the ground, but be careful not to let your knee touch the floor. Keep your torso upright and your gaze forward. Then push back up to your starting position. That's 1 rep. We're aiming for 10 reps per leg. Feel the burn in your quads and glutes, and remember, it's that burn that gets results. Next, mountain climbers. This is a full body exercise that really ramps up the heart rate. Get into a push-up position with your hands underneath your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. Now start running on the spot, bringing your knees up towards your chest one at a time. It's like you're climbing a mountain, right in your living room. Do this for 30 seconds. Not only is this exercise great for cardio, but it also works your core, arms, and legs. Finally, we have the plank. This is a fantastic core strengthening exercise. Get into a push-up position, but this time, rest on your forearms instead of your hands. Keep your body straight, engage your core, and hold this position for 30 seconds. The plank might look easy, but it's a true test of your endurance and core strength. Remember, these exercises are designed to push you, but you should never push yourself to the point of pain. Listen to your body, take breaks if needed, and focus on maintaining good form. It's not about how fast you can go, but how well you can perform each exercise. Fantastic effort, everyone. Now it's time to cool down. After such an intense workout, it's important to cool down and stretch. Cooling down is just as vital as warming up. It gives your heart rate and blood pressure a chance to gradually return to their normal states. Plus, it helps to reduce the chance of muscle stiffness and soreness. Now let's ease into our cool down session. Begin with some deep, slow breathing. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Feel your heart rate come down and your body begin to relax. Next, let's stretch those muscles we've worked so hard. Starting with the upper body, reach those arms high above your head. Feel the stretch through your sides and into your back. Then, gently lean to each side, stretching out those obliques. Now let's give some love to our legs. While standing, pull one foot up behind you, stretching through your quadriceps, the front of your thigh. Switch sides. Then, reach down towards your toes, giving your hamstrings a well-deserved stretch. Don't forget about those arms and shoulders. Reach one arm across your body, gently pulling it closer with the other arm. Switch sides. Then, interlace your fingers behind your back and gently lift your arms, opening up your chest and stretching those shoulders. Finally, let's finish off with some gentle neck rolls. Slowly roll your head in a circle, feeling the tension release from your neck. These cool-down stretches help increase flexibility, speed up recovery, and just feel really good. It's your moment of zen after all the hard work. Remember, friends, listen to your body, focus on form, and celebrate every victory. Every drop of sweat, every rep completed, and every moment you chose to prioritize your health is a victory. So pat yourselves on the back. You've earned it. Remember, the journey to fitness is not a sprint, it's a marathon. And with every step, you're getting closer to your goal, so keep going, you're doing great. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips to keep in mind. First up, think of your body like a car. It needs quality fuel to perform at its best. So, don't forget to nourish your body with nutrient-rich foods that give you energy and keep you feeling satisfied. And remember, staying hydrated is just as important, especially when you're working up a sweat. Next, consider finding a workout buddy. Having someone to share this journey with can make all the difference. It adds a layer of fun, accountability, and friendly competition. Plus, it's always great to have someone to celebrate those victories with, big or small. Lastly, track your progress. Whether it's a note in your phone, a dedicated fitness journal, or an app, keeping track of your workouts and how you feel afterwards can be incredibly motivating. Seeing your progress in black and white can really fuel that fire to keep going. Remember, consistency is key. Crush this workout a few times a week, watch the pounds melt away, and rock that confident swagger. Fitness is a journey, not a destination. So enjoy the ride and celebrate every step forward. You're doing great, and we're here cheering you on every step of the way.